Hi guys, this is John here. In today's lecture, we will look at a quick exercise on identifying whether the images in front of you are 2D or 3D. Now, if you remember from our last lecture, we said that when we have 2D, it means there are two dimensions, versus when we have 3D, we have three dimensions. Now, I'm not going to give you the answer because this is an exercise you have to solve. First, I'll give you a hint where you need to look at how many dimensions are there, whether it's height and length, whether it's height and width, or whether it's length and width. So you have to identify that, and you have to see whether we have two dimensions or whether we have three dimensions. And one suggestion I would like to give you is it will be great if you can mark the dimensions on your images and then arrive at an answer whether it is 2D or 3D. So this is just a quick exercise for you guys. You can try and answer these questions and give it your best shot to differentiate whether these images are 2D or 3D. I will see you guys in the next lecture. Thank you.